3-1.
Hold short, 3-1, 6 number Juliet.
Cessna 8 Sierra Papa, Cherokee on the opposite
Traffic.
runway will be extending.
All right, going a little fast, right? So you can just raise that nose a little bit.
And 2 November, contact round.
That speed down, and then we'll use power to control our altitude, so you add a little power since we're low. So there are two different things, pitch for speed, power for altitude. Add power, we're slow, okay? All right. At the pitch, okay, now you can pitch, now we got our airspeed, okay, good. Beautiful.
Cherry 72 Tango, turn base.
Turning base, 7 Tango.
Auto 6 Romeo Juliet, runway 31, line from wait, traffic, Cessna left base.
Line point 316, Romeo Juliet.
Cherokee 72 Tango, runway 3 will continue traffic holding position.
Tuning 7 to Tango.
Cessna 8 Sierra Papa, traffic follow Cherokee left base over the landfill.
Traffic in sight will follow 8 Sierra Papa.
This is 07 November, exit taxiway Charlie, contact ground 125.0.
Hey, exit Charlie, 125.0, 07 November. You land that?
Follow up the tower, Cessna 738 Victor Alpha at Lake Elizabeth, 1,200 inbound with information.
You know, you're so used to Palo Alto, though. That's why, you know, it's not surprising that you'd have your best landing day would be here at Palo Alto. Because you're used to that perspective
for the option.
to tell you how high you are on the runway.
All right. Sierra Papa, number 2, runway 31, clear for the 8, clear to land.